Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an essential part of our daily lives, from voice assistants and autonomous driving to content recommendations and beyond. But while AI has exploded in popularity over the past decade, many people still wonder, when did it all begin? When did humanity first glimpse the possibility of creating machines that could think and learn? In today's video, we will take a fascinating journey through history to uncover the origins of AI and see how it evolved into the powerful technology we know today. The roots of AI can be traced back to ancient times. Remarkably, the idea of intelligent machines has intrigued humanity for centuries. The ancient Greeks, for instance, envisioned mechanical beings that could serve humans. One of the earliest known mentions of this concept appears in Greek mythology, with the figure of Talos, a giant bronze automaton who protected the island of Crete from invaders. Although a product of myth, Talos symbolized an early vision of artificial beings with human-like capabilities. Over time, similar stories appeared in different cultures, including the belief that the statues built by the Egyptians possessed wisdom and emotions. The development of artificial intelligence as we know it, however, began not with myth, but with scientific inquiry. Many great minds throughout history toyed with the idea of creating a machine capable of independent thought. Aristotle himself speculated about the potential of reasoning machines. His works on logic and deduction became foundational to early algorithmic thinking. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that these abstract ideas began to transform into reality, thanks to groundbreaking work by mathematicians and computer scientists. One of the first true steps towards artificial intelligence came from British mathematician and logician Alan Turing. In 1950, Turing asked the revolutionary question, "Can machines think?" This question would forever change the landscape of both computer science and AI. Turing's work on breaking the Enigma code during World War II showcased the incredible potential of machines to perform complex tasks. But his most famous contribution to AI came in his seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, where he introduced the concept of the Turing test, a way to measure whether a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. The Turing test remains a benchmark in the study of AI to this day. But Turing's visionary ideas were just the beginning. In the 1950s, computers were still primitive by today's standards. The Ferranti Mark I, one of the earliest digital computers, could perform simple arithmetic, but was far from anything we would consider intelligent today. However, these early machines paved the way for more sophisticated developments. In fact, in 1951, the first computer program to play chess was created. Though rudimentary, this chess program could make decisions about the best moves, demonstrating early signs of machine learning. The official birth of artificial intelligence as a field occurred in 1956 at a conference held at Dartmouth College in the United States. Organized by computer scientist John McCarthy, this event brought together pioneers of the field to discuss the possibilities of creating intelligent machines. It was at this conference that McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. This moment marked the beginning of a new era in computer science, as researchers dedicated themselves to exploring how machines could simulate human intelligence. Over the next 2 decades, AI research thrived, and optimism grew that human-level AI might be achieved within a few decades. One of the most significant achievements of this early period came in 1966, when a computer program called ELIZA was created by Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT. ELIZA was a natural language processing program designed to simulate a conversation with a therapist. Using simple pattern matching, it could hold conversations with users in a way that, for the time, seemed surprisingly human-like. Though limited in scope, ELIZA captured the public's imagination and showed that machines could indeed mimic certain aspects of human communication. Around the same time, AI researchers made strides in building neural networks, an approach inspired by the structure of the human brain. Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert, two leading figures in AI, developed the first artificial neural network models. These networks mimicked the way neurons in the brain connect to process information. Though these early models were limited, they laid the groundwork for future breakthroughs in deep learning, which would come decades later. However, the journey of AI was not without its setbacks. By the 1970s, progress had slowed, and some began to doubt the potential of AI. This period, known as the AI winter, saw funding for AI research dwindle as early promises failed to materialize. One of the key challenges was that early AI systems relied heavily on pre-programmed rules and lacked the ability to generalize knowledge or adapt to new situations. Critics argued that AI would never reach the level of human intelligence. Despite this slowdown, AI research quietly continued in academic and government institutions, and by the 1980s, a new wave of optimism emerged. Expert systems, which used AI to simulate the decision-making abilities of human experts, became popular in industries ranging from medicine to engineering. For example, MySyn, an expert system developed at Stanford University, was designed to diagnose bacterial infections and recommend treatments. It was one of the first practical applications of AI in healthcare. Then came the 1990s, which saw a resurgence in AI driven by advances in computational power and algorithmic techniques. One of the most famous AI milestones occurred in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer, defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a landmark moment that showed AI could outperform human experts in complex, strategic tasks. Deep Blue's victory demonstrated that machines could not only mimic human reasoning, but surpass it in certain specialized domains. As we entered the 21st century, AI started to move from research labs into mainstream applications. Thanks to the rise of the internet and the availability of vast amounts of data, AI systems became more powerful and versatile. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon began integrating AI into their products and services. These early AI models, such as recommendation engines, facial recognition systems, and search algorithms, transformed industries and set the stage for the AI revolution we are witnessing today. A prime example of modern AI can be seen in the healthcare sector. Today, AI is used to analyze complex medical images, assist in diagnosing diseases, and even predict patient outcomes based on vast datasets. In education, AI-powered platforms provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs and helping them progress at their own pace. In logistics, AI optimizes supply chains, predicting demand and ensuring timely deliveries. The entertainment industry is also benefiting from AI advancements. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend content based on user preferences, creating highly personalized experiences for their audiences. In video game development, AI is used to create realistic in-game environments and smarter non-player characters, NPCs. With all these benefits come serious ethical concerns. As AI becomes more integrated into society, questions about data privacy, surveillance, and job displacement are growing. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly? What are the implications for workers in industries where AI is likely to replace humans? These are questions that must be addressed as AI continues to evolve. One of the most critical ethical discussions around AI revolves around bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will replicate those biases in its decision-making processes. This has led to numerous cases where AI systems, particularly in law enforcement and hiring, have exhibited discriminatory behavior. Addressing these biases is one of the significant challenges for the future of AI. As we move into the future, AI is expected to play an even more transformative role. Some experts predict that we are moving toward an era of strong AI, where machines will not only simulate human intelligence, but potentially surpass it in all aspects. This concept, known as the technological singularity, is both exciting and frightening. Could machines eventually outthink us? And if so, what would that mean for humanity? These questions are still being debated by futurists and AI experts alike. Moreover, AI will likely drive scientific innovation in ways we cannot yet fully comprehend. For example, AI is already being used in fields like genomics, where it helps researchers unlock the secrets of DNA. In materials science, AI models are accelerating the discovery of new compounds with unique properties. In the near future, AI could be instrumental in developing cures for diseases, creating sustainable energy solutions, and even exploring distant planets. One of the most promising fields for AI development is quantum computing. Quantum computers, which operate on the principles of quantum mechanics, have the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. AI can assist in the development of these quantum systems, helping to model complex quantum states and optimize quantum algorithms. When combined, AI and quantum computing could unlock unprecedented computational power, revolutionizing industries such as cryptography, pharmaceuticals, and climate modeling. In conclusion, the story of AI is one of human ingenuity and imagination. It has taken centuries to develop the technologies that now power the AI systems we use today. And while there is still much to learn, the progress made so far suggests that we are on the verge of even greater breakthroughs. What began as a concept in ancient mythology has become one of the most transformative forces of our time. So, when did the first AI appear? Perhaps the answer lies not just in history, but in the incredible journey that AI continues to take us on today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the world of technology and innovation. See you next time.